So yesterday, what we were discussing how to use the template.
Master slide.
Yeah,
Okay.
masters and the templates, everything like using the templates, how we can make the presentations like that. Okay, so that is from here you will get the templates. You go here or you can search here. Okay, charts. These are the charts related. Okay, also there are
Yes.
many categories. You come here, just go back. Actually, see, thousands of designs are there. Just pick what you like, then change it to your content. Okay. So also
Yes.
let's go back and search new, then infographics.
Mm-hmm.
See, all these are like infographics. See, this is very nice. This
Ah,
also nice. This also nice. This also nice.
right.
Yeah, like that. So now see, all these things they made in PowerPoint only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Since you are the beginner, you don't know how to make those kind of things on your own. So instead
Yes.
of working, when you're working, you can use this one, but as a designer, you must know how to do everything. For example, you
Hmm.
look at this one. You
Yes,
should
sir.
know, you should know how to make like this, how to align the things properly,
Right.
how to create this kind of buttons.
Circle.
Okay.
Hmm.
Also, if you find any picture, you need to keep in proper color, like white color. Sometimes it will be
Right.
different color. You need to keep it white or black, depending on the background. Okay. So like that, you need to know what are the things. Okay. Now let's go back and discuss one by one. See, earlier, okay, what we were discussing earlier in info, I think. Not info. Print.
Print complete.
Print finished.
That
Share finished.
print also
Export.
completed.
Export also finished. Okay. In
Mm-hmm.
export, we were discussing this one. Change file type. Okay.
Hmm.
Let's see. Change file type. When you click here, what will happen? Change file type. Presentation file type. This is actually see by default when you save as a presentation, we will get
Mm-hmm.
PPTX PowerPoint 10 version. PowerPoint 10
Okay.
version, but 10 or it can be more than 10.
Right.
Okay, so 10 or more than 10 because this is now 365. So they made like the PPTX to identify the extension. Okay, ODP, this is another kind of open document present. This is another type of file. Also, there are some software to open this file. Okay, PowerPoint show means see if you want to send a file directly animation, they should not open in PowerPoint present file, but when they click that PPSX file,
Mm-hmm.
whatever animation we apply, they can see directly animated like a video. It's not a
Yes,
video,
sir.
it's not a video, but like slideshow. So there is no option to edit it. But still, if you want to make any changes in PowerPoint show file, you need to open PowerPoint, then go to file, then open the PowerPoint file from PowerPoint software, then you can make changes. But when you double click from downloads or any folder, it will open as a video. That's the difference. Okay. We were discussing the file types. So this I explained already. Then
Yes, sir.
PowerPoint 97 2003 presentation. This one, if someone don't have the latest version, if you send the
Mm-hmm.
file, they cannot open. It will not open in their computer. So in such
Mm-hmm.
cases, what you have to do, you have to convert that one into a previous version, then send the file,
Okay.
then they can work on it. Okay, then templates. Template means see, starting point or new presentation. See, regarding templates we will discuss later, but I will give you a brief. For example, there are some forms online, like, you will fill the form, like name. So if there is
Yes,
a
sir.
guideline or what size should be there, certain kind of guidelines or sample data, you can easily create, change the element. See, the template means what we are getting from internet. So there are some templates you downloaded already. Like that, you can create your own template also. So for that, what you have to
Mm-hmm.
do, you have to create some kind of text boxes, empty text boxes, some kind of pictures. So those things you have to create, but you need to save as a template. Okay, that we will see later after learning everything. Okay, or just remember,
Mm-hmm.
after finishing everything, you come here, then change that one as a template. That's all. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you try later and tell me how it is working. Okay, now
Okay. Mm.
let me see, uh, or let me see if I have any file here. Let me see this file. See, this is one of the
Yes,
file.
sir.
Okay, let me try to change this one as where is that one? Not more. Export. Export. Change file type. I'll make like a template. Let me see how it changes.
Mm-hmm.
See, it is asking like to save. So I will make a folder on desktop. Delete. So this one POTX PowerPoint template. T means template. Okay. Save. Okay. I save this one like this, but let me open,
Mm-hmm.
see how it looks. So desktop, delete this one.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like a template file now. Okay. So it is open like this. This is presentation 2. Yeah. See, this is a template file. That's why when I open, I can
Mm-hmm.
change the information here. For example, whatever I want to type, I can change here. This title I can change. This I can change. Everything I can change. I can select and change. So the format,
Mm.
everything will be same. This one, if I want to replace, I double click. Then I go to change picture. Then I put some other picture here. For example, maybe this one,
Mm-hmm.
like that. It's like template. It's already there. Then I change to my requirement. So that is, but the difference between the template and normal file is when you open this one, it will be like untitled presentation. See, untitled means you must save this document with some other name.
Mm.
Did you understand? So this, so
Yes,
what?
sir.
It is not like a saved document. It is like a fresh document. But there are some
Mm-hmm.
samples. You need to use the samples to change to your content. Then
Right.
you save. You need to give a fresh name like this PC presentation to new name. It is not taking from the old
Mm-hmm.
template. Okay, but I will say, okay, let me
Mm-hmm.
save this one as again I go to desktop, delete. Okay, here I'll change as presentation to save,
Mm-hmm.
closed. Then again I open the template file. See, conversation between this is always my template. When I open, it will open as like a fresh
Mm.
file. Then I need to give a new name after making some changes, or even at the beginning
Mm-hmm.
also. That's the thing. Then let's go again, file, then export. Okay, up to template is over. Next, what we have, PowerPoint picture presentation. PowerPoint picture presentation where each slide is a picture. A copy of this presentation has been saved as, okay. Let's see how it opens when we make like a picture. I
Mm-hmm.
think this one. Yeah. I didn't find any much change like that one.
Mm.
Let me do again. I will just go here. Then I go to file. Then I go to export. change file type, presentation picture presentation, PowerPoint picture presentation. Then let's close here. This is the file we save, but mainly we want to see what it is changing. See, did you understand? Did you understand the change? What happened here? See, earlier everything was editable. I will be. I was able to select the text, then change to my requirement. But now, when I export, when I change the extension as a picture presentation, all the slides became like pictures. You see, it's picture.
They are not editable.
Not editable. Like the editable elements all became like one picture in each slide. Whatever is there, it will convert into picture. That is the difference. Okay. Now let's go again. There are some more. Change file type. PNG portable network graphics. Print quality image files of each slide. See, I will tell you something here. Let me open the other file, the original file. This one, not this one. Okay, no problem. See, this one I can make like images by saving as also. So I'm going to save as. Okay, I choose this PC. Then again I go to the same folder, delete. Then I choose here JPEG. Okay, this is one method to convert all the slides into small individual pictures. Okay, when I save, see what will happen. It will ask us to choose. You want to save all the slides as the pictures or only the current selected slide. So I want all. So I choose all. Then all the slides will be converted into pictures. Then those pictures will be placed inside folder. See, like pictures. I will open here. See, this is picture. So these pictures I can just like photos. It became like there is no need of PowerPoint to open this one. So you can convert into pictures and send to someone else. See, why we need this one? Sometimes, after designing anything, usually, for example, you made a pamphlet or flyer or brochure. Okay. Then one page you designed in present. It's not a presentation, but you made like a flyer or banner, WhatsApp post. Okay. You will not send the PowerPoint to other people. What you will do? You will convert as the image, then you will post in WhatsApp. That's the usual scenario. Na? So that time it will be useful. So you make the flyer. For example, you are going to do graphic design services or you are going to conduct some tuitions for children or anyone. You make the design. Okay. Then go to File, Save As, choose the location. Then if there is only one slide, usually flyer means only one slide will be there. But if you have more information, more slide, you choose like this. When you click save, it will ask you just this slide. So you choose only just that slide if it is only one slide. If it is only one slide, it will not create a folder. It will be saved as a picture there only in the same folder. Okay. So I just choose just this slide. Then I can see here. See, this is the picture I got. So consider this as a flyer of image. Then this one you can paste in WhatsApp and send it for sharing. Okay. That is the use of changing file types. Okay. Then here, see the difference between the save as picture and also export as PNG. See, change file type. See here, PNG portable network graphics. Here, what they are telling, print quality image files of each slide. When you save as JPEG quality, the quality may not be good enough. Okay. But when you use this option, the quality will be excellent. Okay, let's try this one this time. So I choose this one. Then I am giving like, I choose different because presentation one folder is there already. So I want to give different name. Exporting as PNG just to identify. Then I create save. Then again it is asking, do you want all slides or only one slide? I choose all slides. Okay. Now, okay. It is telling we created a folder, then we put everything there like that. Okay. See, this one from save as. Okay. Okay. Then the size of each file is 206 KB. Okay. Then
Yes,
let's
sir.
go to the PNG. See the file size 651 KB. Okay. When you share, okay, both I will share in your WhatsApp and see which is having good quality. Now I will put this one in your WhatsApp. This is I'm sending now. This is JPEG. JPEG. Open and check the quality.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm sending another file. This is PNG. But if you don't see any difference, that's okay. But when you see the difference in computer, you will find some kind of difference. Do you see any difference in quality in WhatsApp or looking same?
No, looking same.
Because WhatsApp always compresses. Okay. So it's
That's
okay. Okay. Now, wait. Okay. It's okay. Now let's see the difference here. I will copy the PNG file also in the same folder so I can see. Copy. I put it here just for comparison purpose. See, this is slide 1. Okay. This is PNG. Okay. But let's zoom it.
Okay.
This is PNG. Okay. Now
Pixels.
yeah, actually there is no much difference, but I will try to open in Photoshop and show you what is the difference. Open with Photoshop 2023. I'm opening the file in Photoshop 2023 to check the original quality, how it looks. Even the high quality file, the WhatsApp is going to compress, so both you can see like same. But scientifically, there is a difference in the system, the quality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See this one. This is JPEG file at 100%. Okay. Now I will open the PNG file. Desktop. Delete. Presentation 1. Slide 1. PNG. Okay. See, this is 100%. This is 100%. Actually, in fact, okay, let me zoom it to 300%. This is 300%. Actually, there is no much difference. But sometimes you will find the difference in the quality. This is 300%. This is 300%. No much difference. Both are giving almost same quality. But they mentioned that PNG always gives good quality. As per the file types also, when you compare between JPEG and PNG always good quality. But since our image is like, like original, like we typed, we did not copy from anywhere. Of course, we got nice quality in both files. Okay. So to save file size, if the quality is same, why we have to spend this, the hard disk space? We go for a JPEG one. Okay. Okay. Now that is the difference between JPEG and PNG quality while exporting, but it was same almost. Change file type is over, then JPEG file. See, web quality image files of each slide. So here I don't want to test again because we will get like save as. how we got some files in JPEG, but the quality of the file size will be smaller size. Then other type, save as another type. So here when I click, it will ask you to choose what format you want to change. There are many formats. Depending on the requirement, you can change. But I will tell you most of the most commonly used formats. One is PDF that we use. PowerPoint template
Mm-hmm.
that we use as a template. Okay. Next one. This is to send to someone who doesn't have the latest version. PowerPoint 2003. Then
Mm-hmm.
PowerPoint show also we use to send like direct presentation. Then
Okay.
this is also old type but presentation. MPEG-4 video. This is more commonly used. Animated GIF more
Mm-hmm.
commonly used.
Mm-hmm.
PNG more commonly used. JPEG more. TIFF also more commonly used, but not very common, but we use to get good quality. Windows meta file. This is also for vector-based designing we use. This is also for vector. When you learn graphic design perfectly, later on you will understand what is Windows meta file. This is related to vector, so you can edit the elements easily inside. Scalable. This is also vector
Mm-hmm.
based. You know vector difference between vector and raster.
नहीं
I'll
not
tell
really.
you. See, if the file is in vector form, vector format, when you increase the view, you will not see the pixels. It will be like very clear. Okay, but scalable vector graphics. That means you can scale to any size. The quality looks same. But there will be another option like JPEG, PNG. Those are related to raster
Mm-hmm.
basic images. Those images, when you enlarge, you will see pixels like blurred image. But
Mm-hmm.
SVG, you will not see blurriness. If you make like SVG, then later on we'll practice more with those things. Yeah, these are the things we use mostly. Now let's go back to file, export. So the almost theory part we completed from here. Then close, no need to say explain. What close does? It will close the presentation. Then there is more, let's see, more account feedback option. So account, you will see your account information. Feedback, you will give feedback to Microsoft. Options,
Yes.
see, here there are some options, but these options we don't use much. But let's see, we'll find out very commonly used one. We don't need to spend much time here, but I'll just see randomly. These things we don't use while designing. Only there are some options which will be useful sometimes, very rarely. So if you're not finding anything or if you're finding some problem, when you type in Google, you will get the answer like this. Go to file, options, then do the settings, then you will get the solution like that. That is when is required, when you get the problem. But usually we don't need all those things when we are doing in daily life. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that's why I don't want to spend much time here, but I'll just go through once and I'll tell you what are the things we use in regular. Okay, see, there is one embed fonts in the file. This is very important. See, for example, you are working, you used a special font. Okay, then when you send
Mm-hmm.
the file to someone, if they don't have the font, it will look differently.
Mm-hmm.
So in
Mm.
such case, what you have to do, you have to embed, and embed only the characters means whatever you typed, those characters will be saved. But if they, but it will be like read only file. They cannot make any changes. You do this option. But for my suggestion, if they want to make any changes, use this option, embed all characters. So all the characters in that font will be embedded and they can easily make changes. But remember, this is applicable only for the free fonts. There are some paid fonts or like copyright fonts. If you use those fonts and if you pay money and
Mm-hmm.
use and if you embed, it will not work for them. So for free fonts, it works. Okay. Um, Language. This is about English accessibility advanced. Okay, see, maximum number of handouts. This is also important.
Hmm.
When you
Hmm.
press Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z,
Yes,
up
sir.
to 20 times only you go. But if you want more, you can do. But usually we don't make 20 mistakes at a time. It's okay. 20 is good number. Let's okay. See, this is also very important. Actually, there are many commands which are not listed here, but some
Mm-hmm.
options we can bring it here. See, for example, these are the commands which are in these groups, tabs groups. Okay, if you don't find any command, or if you want to add somewhere, you need to select that command. For example, shapes. You can go here, add.
Mm-hmm.
Commands need to add it to custom groups. Okay, I'll make new group,
Mm-hmm.
new custom group. Then I
Shapes.
add to here. Then I press OK.
Mm.
See, I will have some more here. New group. See, a new tab. In new tab, I have this one. So whatever tools you use regularly,
Mm-hmm.
you can make your own tab. Then
Right.
use those things. Okay, that is for the options. More options. Then in advanced, okay, in customized ribbon, you will see those options. Quick access toolbar. This also quick access toolbar means see somewhere here. See in that here you will see one toolbar. There you can add some tools what you use frequently. Okay, that's all here. So now let's go back to the real work. Okay, in
Mm.
file we did not design anything. We just learned the theory only in file menu. Okay, so now
Mm.
home tab. Okay, in home tab the first two are undo and redo. If you make mistake, you press undo. If you want to do that
Mm-hmm.
mistake again, and not only mistake, anything, the action you do, you press redo, undo, redo.
Yes.
This is repeat, this is undo. Okay. So here we have in home tab, the next one is paste. For example, see, this is a text. Okay, let me take English text. Okay. So I go to new. I
Sir, what is written? Is it idru?
iddaru, yes. Yeah.
Idru. Okay.
Okay. So when I click Control V, I copied there, I pressed Control
Mm.
C, I pressed Control V here. So I got this one. Okay. But see, when you see here paste, down there is small black arrow. There are some more
Mm-hmm.
options. When you double click, you will see. The first one is use destination theme. Destination theme means like where you are pasting. For example, in this document, whatever themes
Mm-hmm.
are there, it will be changed to that theme. Okay. You will understand. See, in the design tab, you have themes here. You see, I change it to this theme. Okay. When I paste here, what will happen? Okay. If I
Yes, sir.
paste now, what will happen? See the first option. Still, it is same because the theme is same.
Huh.
No change. Uh, Here, what we have? Keep source formatting. Keep source formatting means actually you're not here. You're not finding much difference. Okay.
Hmm.
But later, when you are working in real projects, you may find some difference. Source format means how how we formatted in the original file. That format will be here. Okay. So
Okay.
let me delete all these things again. The last one, picture. Okay. See, okay, I will take one text box now. Okay. Okay. Actually, there will be one more option. Keep text only. That is not
Mm-hmm.
showing here, but here, keep source. No, no. Keep text only. There should be one more option, but that is not showing here. But it's okay. Whenever it
Mm-hmm.
is showing, you can use that option. Keep text only means, maybe in other office applications, it will show. It will not take any formatting. It will paste like normal text without it. Whatever text it is here, for example, you selected like this. If you paste, it will be pasted in this style only. It will not come up with the bold and all those formats. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have paste special. This is very important in designing. Okay. See,
Mm.
the first one we don't use much. The second one we'll talk about that one. When I click this
Okay.
one, see this one earlier we got like editable text. When I paste
Hmm.
like this, see, I can select the text because this is text. But this one,
Hmm.
it pasted as SVG format. SVG format. Earlier I told you, na, SVG means scalable vector format. Okay. So
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
what's the use of this one? This is like a picture, but still the quality will be good, and you can easily make the changes in terms of decreasing and increasing. See, like this.
Hmm.
But here, if you do like this, it will
Ah.
not adjust properly. It will flow.
Right.
It will flow. Okay. But here,
Ah.
you can increase in any direction, however you want.
SVG is better.
Yeah, just you, if you want to resize easily, you can make
Uh-huh.
use of this one. Okay, so like this you can paste, but again later, when if you want to edit, you cannot edit. See, this is picture,
Uh-huh.
but there is a
Right.
there is one trick. After making all these changes, still if you want to edit, what you have to do, you have to group, you have to go to group,
Ungroup. Okay.
ungroup, then
Right.
that SVG text will be converted into normal text. But the problem
Right.
is, see, it became like this. It will be
Hmm.
like, it will like pieces. See,
Yes, sir.
one line, one piece. It will become like that. But still, if you want to do that one, you can do, but
Mm-hmm.
not advisable. But just keep it as SVG and make change. So that one
Mm-hmm.
you need to use when there is no change in the text. Finally, you paste it like that. Okay. Then, like
Right.
that, there are some more options. How SVG works, like that's PNG also works.
Yeah.
PNG means it's another kind of picture, but it is raster based. When you enlarge, you will see the picture,
Mm-hmm.
that pixels blur. But SVG, when you enlarge, you will not see. The quality will be excellent. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
PNG, you cannot ungroup. SVG, you can ungroup and still convert as a text. That is the difference. Then enhanced meta file and SVG almost same. There is no much difference. So you can use SVG or enhanced. But enhanced meta file is little old format. SVG recently came. Recently people are using. Okay. Now next we have picture JPEG. You know already, normal format. GIF,
Yes,
you know
sir.
already. GIF is like animated, but if there is animation, it will, but no use. What we did not animate, so there is no point of pasting as GIF image. Picture Windows meta file also similar to picture enhanced meta file, like vector, then device independent image, then bitmap. Bitmap is like picture only. We
Mm-hmm.
don't use bitmap much because the quality may not be good. Okay, then we finish these paste options. Okay, this one we finished. Then what else we have next in here? We have this cut, Control X, that you know already. When you click
Yes, sir.
here, if you press cut, it will be cut, but you can paste
Mm-hmm.
anytime. The next one is
Mm.
paste option. No, not
Right.
paste option. This is copy because it is not highlighting because you did not select anything. If you select anything, it will allow you to copy. Okay. Then see what is there. Copy, duplicate. There are some options. Copy, duplicate also there. See, sometimes you want, usually why we copy? To make a copy in another.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
instead of pressing two buttons, they given duplicate. So you can just
Right.
duplicate it immediately. For example,
Mm.
I just draw this one. I want another copy. Instead of Control C, Control V pressing, just come here, then make duplicate. One will come. It
Mm.
with one button. Okay. Next we have. I know. I think many people know already this Format Painter. Do you know Format Painter?
You told me.
But earlier, have you used?
No. Mhm.
Okay. See, I will explain. See, I will make some kind of formatting. I'll change color. Okay. Also, I'm changing format to this shape. Okay. Also, I will give border. Okay. Then I will increase the borders like this. Okay. I formatted this one like some kind of thing. Then also maybe I will give This shadow also, shadow. Okay, this is kind of format, but the same format, if I want here, what I can do, I can just double click, then I paste it here. So I don't need to work on this new image again. I can just change the format. For example, this time I go here, then I draw another shape. Okay, I want same style. So I don't
Okay.
need to do again. I just click here, then I go to home tab, then I double click. Okay, first I need to click, then I need to double click, then I need to click on the destination image shape. That's all. 3 steps. Select, click on format, painter, then click on the destination shape. Then I paste here, but then I paste here, then I paste here.
Oh.
See, you can apply any, but when you come out of from this option, you need to press escape button on the keyboard.
Okay.
So whenever you click other item, it will not apply. So until you press escape button, it will be applied. The format will be applied. Okay. Now, yeah, I think that's all for today.